How to change your age on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're able to change your age on TikTok. But before I do, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, so when you signed up to TikTok, you were required to put in your date of birth. Now, you may have made a mistake, or since joining TikTok, you may have realized that if you're underage, some of the settings and videos may be restricted. So you'd like to change your age. So there's no actual easy way of doing this, such as you can on other social media platforms. So what you need to do is open up TikTok and then go over to your profile. Next, tap on the menu button in the top right hand corner. And then tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down until you get to report a problem. Next, once here, tap on account and profile. Then tap on editing profile. And scroll down and tap on other. Next, once you're here, tap on need more help. Then in here, write a message to TikTok asking them to update your date of birth. They may request a copy of some identification such as a passport, driver's license, or a state ID. And once you've done that, they'll update your date of birth on your TikTok account. And that's all it takes to change your age on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.